Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 6.1 sixth problem. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Of a side 2A. AB is 2A. This is 2A. And this one is also 2A. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Find each of its altitude. You have to find all the altitudes. AM and we can name this also D, E, M. We have to find all the altitudes A, M, B, E and C, D. So first my target is I have to find AM. AM. How we can find it? First write given ABC is an equilateral triangle of a side 2A. To prove that is our target is to find altitude. So first target is AM. Our first target is AM. Clear? So now start proof. We know that the side BC is 2A. But we don't know whether BM is equal to MC because this is altitude, not the median. If it is median means we can tell that it lies in the midpoint of BC. But this is not a median. This is since this is the altitude, we can't tell that BM is equal to MC. So first we have to prove that BM is equal to MC. How we can prove that the two sides are equal? How we can prove that the two sides are equal? For that I am going to take the two triangle AMB and AMC and I am going to prove that it is congruent. Since it is congruent, I can tell that the side BM is equal to the side MC. So I am going to take first I am going to take a two triangle proof. Triangle AMB in triangle AMB and triangle AMC. How we can prove that the two triangles are congruent? In what are all ways we can tell? To prove it is congruent, we have to use SAS, SSS and AAA. Here I am going to use that 2A is equal to 2C. Sorry. 2A is equal to 2A, that is AB is equal to AC. The side AB is equal to AC. Clear? It is given that sides are equal. 2A. And AM is common. AM is equal to AM, that is common. Okay. And then this is since this is perpendicular altitude, it must perpendicular to the side BC. So angle AMB is equal to the angle AMC, each 90 degree. So I can tell by SAS or otherwise we can use RHS rule also. Since it is 90 degree, the hypotenuse equal and one side is equal. One side is equal. We can't use SAS. Why? Because this side and this side is equal and this is not including angle. This is not including angle. So we can't use SAS. But we can use RHS. Are you clear, Kana? SAS. We can't use SAS. Because this is not including angle. So for that I am going to use RHS rule. One is 90 degree, hypotenuse equal and one side is equal. RHS congruency criterion. RHS congruent criterion. Triangle AMB congruent to the triangle AMC. Since this is congruent by CPCT, I can tell that these two sides are equal. That is BM is equal to MC. BM is equal to MC. So BM is equal to MC is equal to half BC. Clear? BM is equal to half of BC. Since it is equal. Okay, I can write that half. Instead of BC, I can write 2A is equal to A. Since this is equal, the full side is 2A. This is A and this one is A. Clear, Kana? So, now BM is equal to MC is equal to A. That is equal. What we have to find, Kana? We have to find AM. I'm going to find AM. This we know that MC is A and one side AC is 2A. I can find AM by Pythagoras theorem. So I know the hypotenuse and I know the another side also. Easily we can find the another side. That only I'm going to find now. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, I'm going to take a half a triangle, that AMC. This is A and this is 2A by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square. AC square is 2A the whole square is equal to, this only we don't know, this only we have to find. So AM square, write as it is, and then MC, instead of NC we can write A square. So 4A square. Shift this to left hand side. 3A square and shift the square also. If we shift, what we will get? Root of 3A square. This alone we can cancel, but for root 3 it will be, for 3 we have root. Okay. So the altitude, that is AM, is root 3A. Hence the length of its altitude, length of its altitude be A root 3 centimeter. All the altitudes, not only AM, B, E, C, D, all the altitudes will be root 3 A. Clear? Thank you. Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 6.5, 7th and 8th problem. First 7th problem. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonal. So this is rhombus AB, BC, CD and DA. Since this is rhombus, all the sides are equal. And one more property we know in this, that the diagonals are bisect each other. Okay. Each other, and it cuts at 90 degree. We know that. Since it is a rhombus, we know. Okay. So first write given. In the given, you have to write that A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Since this is rhombus, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All the sides are equal, and we know that the sides diagonals are bisect each other. So OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. That also we know that it equally divides the side diagonal AC. That is half of AC and this is half of BD. since ABC is a rhombus, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, all the sides are equal and the diagonals are bisect each other. So OA is equal to OC, OA is equal to OC. That is half of bisect each other, no? So half of AC, full diagonal is AC, half of AC. OB is equal to OD and that is half of BD. Okay. Then next, what we have to prove that the sum of the squares of the sides, AB square, BC square, CD square and AD square. Sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonal. So what is diagonal? AC plus BD. And now start the proof. And one more thing also we can consider from the given, that each angle diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So that also we can take that angle OAB, angle OA, AOB, AOD, BOC and COD. Everything makes an angle 90 degree. This one also we can. So what we have to prove, that AB square plus BC square is plus CD square plus AD square. So AB square plus BC square, CD square and AD square. So I'm going to divide into 4 portions, 4 right angle triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. First I'm going to divide into 4 triangle. So first, in right angle triangle AOB, this portion AOB, by Pythagoras theorem we can tell that AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. In this triangle, hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other 2 sides. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other 2 sides. So first one is completed. And in next triangle, that AOD by Pythagoras theorem, we can tell that AD square is equal to OB square plus OD square. And third one, triangle COB by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to OC square plus OB square. In triangle COD by Pythagoras theorem, CD square is equal to OC square plus OD square. So mark this as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So add everything. Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will get that AB square, first left hand side, AD square, BC square plus CD square. Remaining things, OA square plus OB square. Next one, OA square plus OD square plus OC square plus OD square. Next last one OC square plus OD square. So keep the left hand side as it is. So we got it. Keep the left hand side as it is. Okay. And then OA square. So 2 OA square plus 1 OB square and 1 OB square, 2 OB square plus 2 OC square plus 2 OD square. We have everything in two terms. So we can write as 2A square, OA square. Everything we have in all the terms we have 2. So take it outside. OA square, OB square, OC square plus OD square. Okay. This OA we can write as of AC, and OC also we can write as of AC. Clear? So instead of OA, of AC square plus OB of BD square plus for OC of AC square plus BD of BD square. Clear? So OA, OC, instead of OA, OC of AC, instead of OB, OD of BD. We can substitute. Okay. And then square it. 1 by 4 AC square, 1 by 4 BD square, and then 1 by 4 AC square, 1 by 4 BD square. Take 1 by 4 outside. Take 1 by 4 outside. So the remaining is AC square, BD square, AC square, then BD square. So this one we can cancel 2 times 1 by 2, and AC square is 2 AC square plus BD square is 2 BD square. So now also we can take the 2 outside. If we take, see here, this is the last step I have written there. Take the 2 outside. So the remaining is AC square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. This is right hand side. Clear? So the left hand side is AB square plus AD square plus BC square plus CD square. Left hand side is equal to AC square plus BD square. The diagonals are, these are sides. Okay, this is very easy. Since this is rhombus, we can tell that all the sides are equal and the diagonals are bisect each other, and it bisect each other at 90 degrees. So everything we can take from the given. And first we have to take the first triangle, and by Pythagoras theorem we can write that AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square, and add everything left hand side. First add the left hand side and add the right hand side. OA, we have a 2 OA, so we can write 2 OA square and take the 2 outside. And instead of OA and OC, we can substitute of AC, and instead of OB and OD, we can substitute of BD. Okay, and then square. First cancel 1 by 2. After that, take the 2 outside and cancel it, and we will get AC square plus BD square. Thank you.